Yo, what's up, fam? Welcome back to the channel. If you've got a Samsung phone that's locked, whether it's a forgotten PIN, pattern, or you're just stuck, don't worry, I got you. In this video, I'll show you how to unlock it fast and easy. Let's go. So first up, if you've got a Samsung account and Find My Mobile is enabled, this is the easiest way. Head over to findmymobile.samsung.com on any browser. Log in with the same Samsung account linked to your phone. Once your device pops up, click on Unlock. Boom! You'll get a confirmation and your phone will be unlocked remotely. Just make sure your phone has Wi-Fi or mobile data on. Otherwise, keep watching. If you don't have a Samsung account, your next option is a factory reset through recovery mode. Heads up, this will wipe your data, but it'll get you back in. Power off the phone. Press and hold volume up power or Bixby plus volume up power till the Samsung logo shows. Use volume keys to scroll to wipe data factory reset and press power to select. Confirm, and your phone will reset and reboot like new. Then you can sign in again using your Google or Samsung account. Alright, so that's how you unlock a Samsung phone in 2025. If Find My Mobile works, you're golden. If not, recovery mode is your backup. Bonus tip. Always keep your Samsung account and Google credentials saved somewhere secure. You'll need them after a reset. If this helped you out, drop a like, comment if you got stuck anywhere, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips just like this. See you in the next one.